everyone, thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky. So today we have a haul, but it's a kind of peculiar haul. I've decided, I'm just gonna admit it, I love the drama of ordering mystery boxes. And I've done that several times with you guys in the past where I've ordered, you know, like things for the home, like little kitschy things that just, or boxes where I had no idea what's gonna come in those boxes, but, or t-shirt varieties, clothing, all kinds of things. And some have been hits, some have been misses, and some have been, you know, sort of in between. And I think I'm just gonna admit it, I love the excitement and the drama of just not knowing what I'm gonna get and being able to either be pleasantly surprised or be all pissed and dramatic with you guys. So I decided to do one more. There was one that I did last year, or was it last year? And it took quite a while for me to get my package from this company. It's the laundry room. And this time, pleasantly surprised, it took maybe about a week at best to get it. And I did another mystery box with them. And their mystery box this time was around Black Friday, promotion for Black Friday. So in today's video, we're gonna go through the mystery box that I got from the laundry room. And I'm trying to remember what was supposed to be in this box. The last time it was like, you were guaranteed to get like 10 items. And I think the value was somewhere around 400 bucks. And I think this one's similar. I got the $99 holiday bundle. In this bundle, you get one pair of sweatpants, one biker short, one hoodie, 2 graphic tops, and 2 mystery items. But I saw another iteration of this, and it wasn't 2 mystery items. It was a pair of slides and 1 mystery item. So let's dig right into this one. It's supposed to be a $325 value for $99. Let's see what we got. All right, that was packaged super securely. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right, so the very first thing we got, I got already in the last bundle that I got. So it's slightly disappointing, but I will probably end up giving it to someone else that oh wait, this isn't the same. This is the same, it says Chill for Life. And it's very Miller Lite-esque in terms of the design. But the one that I have is a sleeveless muscle shirt. I told them that my size was they asked for your size, and I told them that mine was an extra small. I also noticed that the other things that I got were really big as well. Oh yeah, so this is an extra small. They're pretty big. I think they're just meant to be oversized, just comfy, oversized, be at home kind of a deal. But this is the same design or print and color, but it is a different style. This one actually has sleeves, and the one that I have doesn't. So they do have slides, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to do a cutaway to show you the design because they're white, and I can already tell you that the sunlight will not let me be great. But it says, these are a size 39, so they're probably a little big for me, a lot big for me. Let's see. I mean, they're big, but they're not awful. I'm probably most likely going to be wearing them with socks. But it says airplane mode on these. Probably can't see that, but I'll do a cutaway. But it says airplane mode on these. They're white. I don't have any white slides. I guess if and when we ever travel again, these will be great to wear and be comfy, easy to slide in and out of these for security checks. So I'm a fan of these. Let's see. This is from their sex positive line. So let's see what that means. So it's really just like promoting no shame in your sexuality type thing. So let's see. It comes with it says parental advisory, explicit content. All right, sex positive. Let's see. Let's see what this says. Oh, it doesn't say, it's not explicit. I was nervous because this came with a parental warning. I thought it was going to be, it just says sex positive, and this is tie-dye as well. So I have a feeling that all of this is going to be tie-dye. Most of what I got the last time was tie-dye as well. It's funny because I mentioned before that I did not like tie-dye in some other video that I did about trends, and I don't hate it. I don't like it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's just like another thing in the rotation. But I'm not gonna seek tie-dye. But now that I have some and I've kind of been wearing it, I feel like it is what it is. All right, next here. Oh, another pair of the, remember what I call crackhead shorts? You guys probably, I don't know, if you're from a big city, you know what, or urban city, you know what I mean. But the drug addicts and the homeless people, they usually have, you know, somehow, some way get their hands on sweatpants. And then once the weather gets warm, it's hot out there. So they cut the sweatpants so that it's shorts and you can be a bit cooler. And then when it gets cold again, they've cut the sweatpants. So then they'll layer it with another pair of sweatpants. They'll put the shorts over top the other one. So these are the hobo crackhead shorts. Probably. I don't know. The other ones I had were clearly that. These seem to be a bit more tailored and short and intentional in the style. The other one I had like zipper pockets, and it was it was an awkward length. These are clearly shorts and something that I definitely wear around the house. Super cute. I absolutely love that it matches this tee that they gave, this you know, chill for life tee. So that gives me a whole outfit that I can wear. I am appreciative of that. So I think I'm gonna like these shorts a bit better than the ones that I got before that had the zipper pockets and sort of the awkward length. All right, this one appears to be the biker shorts. Let's see. Oh yes, these are so adorable. So around the band, it says the laundry room, and you can't really, I'm going to do a cutaway so you can see that a bit better. And then on the back, it says never look back. But these are some really cute, the color is really cute. You know, this light kind of, I don't know, grayish blue is my favorite, one of my favorite colors. My house is painted this color. Can you see that? My house is painted this color. So this is, I'm loving it. So hopefully this fits. I'm a bit heavier down on the bottom, and I'm concerned that the extra small will be too small for me, but we'll see how we can make this work. And the other thing that I'm loving is that they have apparently a theme here with these blues. I can rock these biker shorts with this tee as well. So I have like outfits that I can make. I'm really pleased about that. All right, let's see. This next item is, let's see. What are you? Oh, yes. You know, I absolutely love their sweats. So if you are not interested in doing this whole big bundle thing and you just like I really want some really good sweats, the laundry room does some really soft, nice things. They make their own, you can see on Instagram, they make all of their things in-house. So definitely not unethical treatment of people who are making these. They make these things, tie-dye these things all in-house. They have their workers doing it. So when it takes a little bit longer to get your things, just know it's because they're making them, they're styling them, they're doing all the things themselves. So in terms of quality and everything, it's there. It's always super plush and really soft. So anyway, as I was saying, I got another pair of joggers here. It has pockets, which we love, drawstring waist, and it cinches in here at the ankle. I already have a couple pair of their joggers, and I love them to death. I love them. So if you're wondering like what good brand you could have that, you know, have a long sustainable life in your wardrobe, will be comfy, will be cute, definitely the laundry room sweats are it. So go ahead and check that out. And I'm glad that this is a charcoal. I don't have any this color. I have one pair of charcoal sweatpants from Zulily, and it says sips tea down the leg. So this one has nothing on it, which is great. That means I can pop it on with a whole bunch of other different, you know, charcoal gray things that I have. And I just got some new stuff. Yes, I'm happy about this. And one last item, and you bet, man, I'm gonna slap them. Man, is it charcoal gray? Do I have another outfit here? Let's see what it is. Man, I am gonna, Joey, I'm gonna slap you. I'm gonna slap you. Did you send me another outfit? Yes, you did. All right. So Joey is one of the brothers that owns the place, but brother like literal genetic brother, not brother like brother. But that's one of the brothers that own the place. I love their hoodies. I have like I have a couple cropped hoodies from them. This one is a full-on hoodie, but it has like that cool, like, you know, what a deconstructed look that they have. It has that on the sleeves, and then it's like almost like raw unfinished in some places. Look along the let's see, can you see? Oh, along the pocket here, along the, oh man, I am loving this. I almost want to take off what I'm wearing. No, it doesn't. It has a built-in mask. No, it doesn't. Look at that. It has a built-in mask. I'm in love. No, they didn't send me look. If they just sent me these two pieces for $99, I would have been happy. I would have been happy. Yes. So anyway, they still have the promotion going on. I feel like this will be all the way through the holidays, because it is a holiday mystery box. So hopefully you have the opportunity to go ahead and get yourself a box, because I'm happy. I'm happy. I was starting, when the very first thing, I was concerned because I already, like I said, I already have a tee that's similar, but it's sleeveless and muscle. I'm like, oh, well, at least I can wear this in, you know, in a situation where sleeveless is not appropriate, right? And so I'm like, okay, I'm on the fence about where this is going. And then we get down into this one. They made right on the last pair of shorts that I got, which was more hobo-like, and this one's cuter. I can wear it around the house. From there on, good deal. Good shit. Good shit. I am happy. I am so happy. I'm gonna have to let you know how, you know, maybe I'll do a cutaway so you can see how these fit, because I'm concerned about it being extra small, because I ain't extra small on the bottom. But I'm so happy. Okay, that brings us to the end. Sorry we had 10 straight minutes of me gloating about how happy I am about this haul, but go ahead and check it out, thelaundryroom.com or tlroom.com, and see what they have. They have a lot of good sales going on. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like it, share it with your friends, because listen, if you liked it, I'm pretty sure they'd like it too. Leave me a comment down below which of these are your favorite pieces, or any of these things that you would absolutely never wear, because it's, like I said, it's hit or miss when you do these mystery boxes, but I am pleased. For my money, I think I got my money's worth. Hopefully you come back and visit me sometime. I am gonna be right here every Sunday, Wednesday, and sometimes on Fridays. Bye.